Hello, it's Teresa at the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're looking at air dry clay discs that are for essential oils. So it was like a diffuser, and it holds those scents, and then you can keep putting scents on there too. So what you're going to need is this is air dry clay Crayola. You're going to need some wax paper, a rolling pin, or you can use your fingers too to roll it out thin enough. I get this bowl in here because you want a little water in here so you can work your fingers. And if you don't want it all over your hands, you need to use like some gloves, something like that, because it does get on your hands and stuff if you use it with just your hands. So the gloves would probably be a better thing. Like a little cookie cutter. Now you can do different shapes, small, big, or whatever. This is just a little 3D printed cookie cutter to make it about this size disc. So, and then to do your stamps, this just came in a kit. So you have like your stamps that is like a flower or something like that you can use. And you can use it after it dries, but you can also use it before it dries if you want a little bit of indentation or pattern into the disc. So you have those, and then the ink pads all came with it in this little box here, and it's just little craft ink, and it's kind of like just the ink pads that you have, and you'd use that to put on your discs. So what you'll do, you'll take out a little ball of the air dry clay, and you kind of knead it around because it's a little stiff at first, but then it'll start warming up. Then you can use a little water too to do that, and you can use the wax paper to spread that out on. And you can use your hands, or you can use like a dough roller to whatever thickness you want. Of course, it takes about 2 or 3 days to dry. So if you want it to dry quicker or thinner, we'll do that. So, and then after it completely dries, then you're able to add your essential oils. Now I've got lavender out here and vanilla, but of course there's all kinds of essential oils that you could use on your, whatever it smells good to you, on your little clay discs, and they will hold that scent. And once it dissipates, you can put some more on there, and you can use it in your car or your living room or bedroom or whatever you want. And so that's the little clay discs for essential oil diffuser clay discs.